Hello students, I am Zainab Nalwala and today we are going to study lesson number 13 of SS. This is India, location, its geological structure and physiography. As we all know that India holds a unique position among all the countries in the world, as is a country having the largest democracy and its culture is the oldest one. Okay, so India is a country having the largest democracy. Like there are many people of different cultures, different religions and even different subcaste. Okay, the coordinating attitude of our culture is not discarded any religion, race and people. So here we welcome each and every citizen of different religion as a family member. Okay, so like this India has become a cultural confluence. Okay, I would like to share a few picture promoting the culture of India. See, as we can see there are different religions, there are different people of different states mentioned here. We already know some of them are Bengalis, Marathis, Punjabis, Muslims, Assam, people from Assam, people from Kashmir, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Okay, so India is a land of various cultures. Okay, moving further, see India in different cultures. Okay, different religion, different cultures, everything is mentioned here. So along with cultures, India has various geographical locations also. Okay, in our land we find mountainous regions in the north, then we have peninsula beaches in the south, then we have desert, that is in Rajasthan. Okay, then in the east side we have highest rainfall states states facing highest rainfall like Cherrapunji, etc. These are the cities. Okay, so there are many natural and man-made induced disaster which have taken place in India in the past period, which have changed the geographical conditions, even the land portions of the Indian land. Okay, moving further, talking about the location, size, and area. Geographically, India lies in the northern hemisphere. See, the first picture where the division is horizontally, we can see that India is here. Okay, so India is in northern hemisphere, and in this region we can see that India is in the eastern hemisphere. It is clear from even this picture. 7,590 square kilometer. Okay, the land portion is this much, the water portion is this much. Okay, it is mentioned here. See, in your textbook they have only mentioned the total area. The land and water is not differently mentioned. The next is is that India ranks 7 in world. Okay, there are 6 larger countries in land. We are not talking about population. Regarding population, India stands second, but here in the total area of land, land and water both, India ranks 7. So these many countries are before India. See, the first one is Russia. You can see it in the green part. Then Canada, the pink part. Okay, then United States of America, blue one. China, royal blue one. Brazil, that is red one. Australia, that is creamy stone. And then India in dark green color. Okay, then some of the countries are stand after India. Okay, so you have to remember the previous 6 countries which are greater in land compared to India. Moving further, these are some of the natural calamities which have been uh, troublesome for our country and have changed some of its land portions. Okay, in next part we'll study about how these calamities have changed some of the territories and everything in the India. So this is the first part of the chapter. I have ended it here. We'll meet in the next part. Thank you. Of 38 degree to 37 degree 6 in, okay, to the north and the south. The latitudes are clear from this picture, okay. Moving forward, we have longitudes, okay. Longitudes of India is from east to west, that is 68.7 to 97 degrees, okay. Then moving further, we have Tropic of Cancer passing through the middle of our nation. Okay, the Tropic of Cancer is passing through 8 cities in India. Here, you can see there are red highlighted points on which cities they pass. The Tropic of Cancer passes by. Okay, so here we have studied that we have Himalayan mountain system. We have triangular shape at the end, at the south part, that is called a peninsular plateau. Okay, then this is Tropic of Cancer. This is a real picture of Tropic of Cancer, how the boundary is made at those cities. Okay, now we have length from north to south, that is Kashmir to Kanyakumari, that is 3,214 kilometers, and then Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, the width is 2,933 kilometers. Okay, moving further, as the difference is so wide, see, this is Gujarat highlighted and the Arunachal Pradesh is highlighted. The both states are at the opposite ends of the country, so there is a difference of sunrise, there is a difference of 2 hours in the local times between these two places, okay, these two extreme places. So when it is sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh, it is still night time in Gujarat. Okay, so if we follow this type of timings, it will be very difficult for us to manage the interstate transportation or interstate management. So we follow a standard meridian of India, that is at 82 degree 30 point east longitude. Okay, so this 82 degree is exactly passing from the middle of the India. I'll help you with the picture. See, uh, the line you can see is exactly the middle of the India. Okay, so the point at the time at this line will be considered as the local time throughout every state of India, every state and every city of India. Okay, moving forward, we will now study about the total area of India, that is 32.8 lakh square kilometer. Okay, that is 32 lakh 87,000